of problems, and I may just have the solution for you in my review of Vidsniper. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and as anybody who comes to the channel regularly knows, I am known as the man with a hat. And why is that? Well, it's because I wear a fedora everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, I know you are probably tired of hearing my jokes, so feel free to skip ahead. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software info products to make money online niche. Why is that, you ask? Well, it's simple. I want to make sure you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously? Every day you gotta complain? The guy complains all the time. Can you believe this guy? He's so annoying. Every single day he complains and complains and complains. You'd think he has nothing better to do. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. See, I love Liz. She's such a sweetheart. You know, she says the nicest things. We've been watching 30 Rock since the lockdown started. We're really enjoying it. And Liz is a sweetheart, you know. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for Vidsniper. And it's an interesting software. I had time to take a look at it a little bit and to see how it exactly works. I'm going to show you in just a minute exactly what is inside of the software. There's some things I really like, but there's also some things you're going to want to pay attention to because some things that I wasn't as happy with. So you definitely going to want to pay close attention to my review. Don't just click away because you do want to know what's going on in this software, whether it is going to be right for you or not, because there's some things that make it worthwhile, some that could be better. But before we get to that, I do want to talk to you about my own custom bonus. Vidsniper is not going to help you actually make any videos, which is annoying, basically, because a lot of these kind of software, they try to also help you make videos. On the other hand, they usually do a pretty bad job of making videos, so it's probably just as well that they didn't bother trying to put in a half-baked effort to make videos inside of Vidsniper. What it's designed to do is help you rank videos, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my custom training on how to make videos. This is a custom high-end training that I created using free software. You don't spend any money for it. I'm going to show you how to do it completely for free, and it's going to be my personal bonus to you when you pick this up through my link. Okay, so that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the members area over here. This is the members area of Vidsniper. It looks kind of intimidating. It's really not. It's a bit of a quirky system, so let me show you how this works. So first thing you do is click Create Campaign. And you can, by the way, go to any of these other sections here automatically, but let's go ahead and say I wanted to do Make Money Online because that's the business that I'm in. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is like this, and then I'm going to put in Make Money Online as a keyword. All right, so what it does, first of all, is going to bring up a whole bunch of possible tags. Now, why does it do this? Well, because just ranking for Make Money Online is really, really hard because there's a lot of people trying to get that particular tag. And so what it does is it suggests tags to you. And this is really a nice feature. You can also eliminate certain things. For example, as much as I want to help out teenagers, they probably don't have any money to spend to buy anything from me. So let's put in teenagers. I don't want them there. Sorry. Okay, and it's going to get rid of anything that's to do with teenagers. I also don't want anybody who's looking for free. Why? Well, because somebody who's looking for something free, they're not going to be really somebody that's going to buy anything from me. So put that in as well. Free. Okay, got rid of free. Got rid of teenagers. Now let's say what I do want to do is I want somebody who's looking for today's information, not yesterday's information. I only want people who are putting the word 2020, for example. I put in positive, put that in, and it's going to show me only keywords that are looking for 2020. Okay, and then I can put in worldwide. I can put in from home. Okay, earn money online. And I can choose a few of these keywords. If I click on them, they automatically get added. Then I take them to competition analysis. Sounds like something from what's that movie called? The one with Arnold Schwarzenegger. The one where he's a spy. I'll think of it. Yeah, that one. Anyway, so like an analyzing his mind and stuff, whatever. Anyway, so so basically, what you have is like this. So it's going to show you how many different videos there are. This is the list of number of videos. Okay, V tab. This is a little bit weird that they designed this way, but basically it's going to tell you true means that it's easy to rank for. False means it's hard to rank for. Okay, so and you can actually say, okay, let's say I want to use Earn Money Online 2020. So I can click Video Stats. And it's going to do an analysis again in order to show me all the details about it. So I can see that these are some videos. If I click on these, it'll actually take me to the videos inside of YouTube. Okay, and it's going to, again, give me all kinds of information about these videos. Okay, and you can read up in the instructions exactly what all these things mean. This is like the upload date, for example, number of views, okay, number of likes on a video, all right, number of downvotes, etc., etc. You get the picture, okay. So the next thing I can do like this is I can click generate video. Now this is a little bit confusing because when I saw generate video, I was like, okay, so you're gonna make a video for me? No, what it's actually supposed to do. And this is one of the reasons I did not like the software. I liked it so far. This is great stuff so far. In theory, at least, this is supposed to generate automatically a title and a description and tags that are going to help me rank. So title, okay, Earn Money Online 2020, fine. And the description is Earn Money Online 2020. I don't get it. Like, where's my description? Now, truth of the matter is, I've tested software in the past that's supposed to generate a description, and it does a horrendous job. It generates a bunch of gobbledygook. So you're probably just as well not letting them generate a description. You have to make one manually for yourself. And to be perfectly honest, what you really want to do is you don't need a whole lot of description that actually makes a whole lot of sense. What I usually do is I have a short sentence at the beginning with my link to whatever it is that I'm promoting. And then the rest of it is basically going to be like legally stuff, like a disclaimer and all kinds of stuff like that. And the reason is that YouTube likes to see a lot of description, but really truthfully, very few people actually ever bother clicking see more. Most people only look at whatever the couple of lines that are visible. So as long as you write a couple of lines, you're perfectly fine. Okay, now for some strange reason, it doesn't let you click here to go to thumbnails. You have to go over here to thumbnail generator, which I don't know why it does that. That is annoying, but okay, fine. And again, we're going to click Make Money Online, and it's going to suggest several different possible keywords to me, rather images to me that I might want to use. Now, I'm not thrilled to tears with these images. There's a lot better stuff out there. You can go into Google Images, for example. Actually, let me show you real quick what I would do. Just as a freebie, even if you don't buy from me, it doesn't really matter. Go to images.google.com. Right, and what we could do is we could put in the word Make Money Online. Here's a little trick that nobody else is going to teach you, especially in a review video, but pay close attention. This is really, really cool. Okay, you click Tools, click Usage Rights, click Label for Use of Notification. Boom. Every single one of these videos, images, are images that you can actually reuse for free. You can see that this is one of the ones that they found from Pixabay, I gather. Okay, but there's other places as well. Okay, look at that. Like the guy is getting handed money from his computer. He's like, wait, no, I don't want it. I don't know why he doesn't want the money, but anyhow. But the bottom line is you can basically grab any of these possible images and use them as your thumbnail. Now, the nice thing in Vidsniper is that if you choose one of these images that they've already chosen for you, what you can do is like this. You can go in and click the down button over here. You can actually add in text, which is nice. You know, make money online from home. Home. Hello. There you go. Okay, and then when you click save, they'll just download it for you. And you have a ready-made thumbnail. That's a nice feature. You can also change the color, obviously, and the text size and all that kind of good stuff. I am not thrilled to tears with the thumbnail generator, but it's a nice feature to have. The thing that I really liked was the analysis stuff. That's really useful. You can also enter your videos and actually track its rankings, which is a really nice feature. Okay, and then you can also do promotions. If you want to do some social syndication, you can actually set up to go ahead and create links automatically for you, which again is nice because that gives you additional rankings inside of YouTube. And so basically the concept here is to give you rankings inside of YouTube. Now, am I going to give it back to the product creator or not? Let's find out. So I'm going to give a cautionary tip on my hat to the product creators for Vidsniper. Now, here's the thing. I love the fact that it has competition analysis and all that kind of good stuff. The thumbnail generator is a little bit weak, to be perfectly honest. It's a nice feature to have. Don't get me wrong. It's nice that they include it, but it could have been more robust. It doesn't make videos for you, so video generator is a bit of a misnomer. It's really, and truthfully, with the exception of the tags are nice to get, by the way. That's a big plus, not to have to come up with your own tags. It's a pain in the neck to come up with your own tags. So it comes up with tags automatically for you. That's a nice feature, but the description obviously doesn't work properly. So I'm going to be talking a question I tip my hat. It's $22. For $22, this definitely will help you a tremendous amount. Is it going to be a slam dunk? No, because you're going to need a few other things. You're going to need a video editor, which you're going to get with my custom bonus. And you're going to need to put together a sentence or two to describe whatever it is that you're reviewing in order to make it work for you. So that's going to help you out, but it's not going to be like a slam dunk that you're going to say like, oh, I just boop, 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 and it's done. The truth of the matter is, though, that there's very few things that really, actually, I don't think there's anything that you do, go boop, 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 and it's done. Everything does require a certain amount of work. In this case, I kind of feel like, on the one hand, I'm actually happy that they did include certain features because I don't want you to feel like, oh, everything is there. It's not everything is there because there's never anything that's everything is there. But at the same time, the thumbnail generator is a little bit weak, and the description generator just doesn't really work properly. So those things I was a little bit disappointed with. But overall, yeah, it's a good product. For $22, it's really useful if you need to generate analysis for keywords and all that kind of good stuff on YouTube. That is going to help you with tremendously. And for that, it is well worth the money to grab it. Definitely a huge buy on that side. Just don't rely on the thumbnail generator. Go to canva.com, make thumbnails there, and make your own descriptions. You can put that together. And of course, use my custom bonus to go ahead and create your own videos using free software. So hope you found the video helpful, and I will see you on the next time.